Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing another Fabfitfun. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're reviewing another Fabfitfun. So for those of you who don't know, Fabfitfun is a luxury lifestyle subscription box. Basically, every season you get a new, well, you don't get it for free, obviously, but you get a new subscription every season. So whenever the weather's changing, you get some goodies in the mail. So I like this one. This is actually the current only subscription that I have right now. I used to have a ton. If you take a look at maybe last year's videos or 2 years ago, I had a couple subscriptions. I actually canceled them all. I don't need that many products. I'm just one person, so I don't know about you guys, but this is really the only subscription that I actually like to get because this is like mine. It's like free gifts. Well, not free, but just different goodies in the mail for me at each season. So Fabfitfun is normally $49.95 every season, but I'll put a coupon code in if you're watching this on my blog, it'll be on my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, that coupon code will be underneath the video, so you can check that out and save $10. So if you want to check this out, definitely go check it out. I definitely recommend it. It's been good to me. I've had it almost about a year and a half now. Next year will be 2 years. So I've kept it, like I said, this is the only subscription I've actually kept for myself. So every season, the box has a different design. So if you go on my blog, you can actually see all of the box designs if you're curious, but basically it kind of matches whatever the season is. So obviously this season is winter. So this was actually kind of like a Christmas gift to myself. I put this aside for a while because if you follow my channel, you guys know I've been diving deep into like Bath and Body semi-annual sales. Every time that sucker comes twice a year, I'm all the way up in there and I'm digging in and seeing what goodies I can find. So definitely, if you like Bath and Body semi-annual sale, definitely stay tuned because I have a ton of videos coming up. So don't miss that one. All right, so like I said, the box comes in here. This is actually way bigger than the box that I got last season. I know why, but I'm gonna share with you guys why that is in a second. So this is actually what the box looks like inside. And with every season, let me get rid of that stuff. With every season, they give you like a magazine so you can check out the retail value of the prices. There's always someone in the front. I believe last time, I don't remember, but if you go on my vlog, you can see who was on the front of the cover. I can't even think, it's on the top of my tongue, but I don't remember who it was. So this time it's Katie Couric, but like I said, there's like different tips on how to use your products, different things, different stories and stuff like that. Honestly, I usually put those to the side and I say I'm gonna read them and I never go back to them. So there's that. And I got a sticker, so I've never gotten a sticker before. So we'll give that to the kids and see if they're gonna use that. This is actually, let me see. Oh, this is like a little postcard. I was trying to figure out what the heck this is. It says, today you shine like, oh, today you will shine. And then, never got this before, a free trial to HBO Max. We have HBO Max already, so maybe we'll give that away to a family member. This one I always get, I never use. We have a HelloFresh coupon. Never use it. If you guys have used HelloFresh before, definitely let me know in the comment section below if it's been worth it. And it says I have a gift for you, so I don't know what that is. Let me see what this is here. Oh, this is, we got this last time. This is like a scratch off and it's to a company that sells wine. So brightsellers.com, and then there's the information there. So whatever the scratch off says is what you can be entitled to in the front. So we'll put that to the side. That was another one that I totally put to the side. I'm a product person, so I tend to stick with products more so. So let's dive in and see what's actually in the box. So this one, I know off the bat, this is actually a robe. Let me show you what the retail value is. I think it was like almost, I'm not gonna lie, hold on, I'm not gonna lie. Where are you? Hold on. Oh, 1D. So this is $70. So if you see, this is, I got a robe from Fabfitfun before. So it looks like that. The last robe I got, I like, but it's more of a summer robe. So this is actually like super, if you see it there, it's like super big. So this is, let me see, it's a cozy robe. It says fuzzy robe with pockets, and it has a hood. I've never had a robe with a hood before, but I actually needed something like that. So if you think about it, if you pay $40 and all you get was a robe, the robe alone by itself is the retail value of the whole box. So everything else that you get is actually extra. So I like it. So I definitely can't wait to put that in my bathroom so I can start using that, because I'm one of those people that are cold regardless of the season. So that one is gonna be perfect because I'm always cold in my bathroom. We have like tiles in the bathroom and it's always freezing. So I always have to put like slip those fuzzy slippers on because I'm always cold. All right, so the next thing we have here is, so they have different subscriptions. You can either pay for the year or you can pay for the season. I still pay for the season, but like if you can do it, get for the year. If you get for the year, you get to choose more options. Another reason why I didn't explain, the Fabfitfun, you get to choose the items that are coming in your box. So if you're paying per season, I believe you just get to choose like 3 or 4, and then the rest is chosen for you at random. But if you pay per the year, you get to choose more options. So if you care, then there you go. I don't mind getting the rest of the stuff that is random, as long as I get to pick and get the main options there. So I'm good. Now the next thing I have here is Daily Concepts. This is a daily facial brush, daily facial dry brush. I've never used anything like this before. So let me show you guys what this looks like here. And that's why we need a knife or right behind me. So give me 1 second. Let me show you guys what this looks like here. Actually, it looks like what it looks like, but not so big, but I've never used a daily brush before. So this is basically an exfoliator for your face. So I've never used anything like that before. If you want to be bougie, this is what you want to get. So I like to try different products. So if you've ever used a daily facial brush before, definitely let me know. I got a Kind bar. This is obviously not a part of your subscription, but I kind of cool that they threw that in there. I definitely appreciate that. And the next thing we have here is Below the Belt. So this is, what is this? Basically a crocodile card case. Not really crocodile, guys, but it's a card case. So that's cool. My daughter likes wallets like this. I would lose this, but she likes to put this in her back pocket, so that's good for her. And the next thing we have here is liquid eyeliner. You can see that there. So this is, I can't tell who's that, but the information will definitely be on my blog so you guys can see what company this is by. I prefer actually liquid liner because it lets you do a finer line, so that's cool. I have liquid liner, but I'll put that to the side so I can use that later. Let me see. Beauty Revitalizing Eye Gel is what it says there. Let me see what this one is, because this one I'm not too sure. I mean, obviously it's eye gel, but let me see if we can figure out the purpose of this here. Oh, I see. Okay, so these are little, it looks like little packets there. And then let me see what it says for it. Boutique, where are you? Okay, so for this one, it says place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. Now, just giving you guys a tip, if you've never used anything underneath your eye, or if you have eye pads or a mask or anything like that, put it in the fridge before you use it, because it's gonna be cool and then it'll reduce that puffiness even faster. And then let me see. The next thing we have here is from Vor. This is Rhythm of the Rain. This is hair mask and scalp detox. So I like hair mask. You guys know, and I said it before, I'm trying to transition my hair to natural curls. I've been using natural hair products since August. So my curls have been here. Been trying to trim them every couple weeks just to get that hair, the dead straight hair. I've straightened my hair out for years, so try to get those dead hairs away so my hair can just keep transitioning. It's gonna take a while, but I'm very, very cautious on what I put in my hair because I try to get products that are paraben free and sulfate free. So I definitely have to take a look to make sure that this is the case. Let me see if it tells me anything. And this is actually $28. So it says natural butter oils and botanicals work to restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients. I'm definitely gonna check that out just to make sure I can use it. If not, I can just definitely give it to my daughter. And then the next thing we have here is Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. So it's a pore exfoliator. So this would be perfect with that facial scrub. So let me see the retail value of this. This is $58. It says wash your face with this professional grade micro crystal solution for instant deep clean and refined pores. So that's expensive if you think about it. And the bottle looks like that right there. And then last but not least, this is perfect for me in my bedroom or in my bathroom so I can have my little space. Now this, I wanted to make sure I give you guys the retail for this. So this is Impressions Happiness, Impressions Highlight. This is a touch highlight. There's an LED makeup mirror. So I can keep this in the bathroom, and then let me see the retail value of this here. This is $45. So the retail value for the whole total, it'll be on my blog, but I believe it was over $300. On the website, when you go to Fabfitfun, it does tell you the retail, but it was like between $250 and over $300. So I'm assuming just with that robe and this and the cream, the facial creams, it probably was probably close to $300. But like I said, the total retail will be on my blog, so you guys can check that out. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. If we kind of do a recap, we'll go backwards and see what all came in. So remember, we have a robe that came in that was $70. Then we have the vanity mirror. We have the facial scrub here. We have our eye gel here. We have our Dr. Brandt Pore Eliminator. We have hair mask, now that I'm looking at natural hair products, they can be really expensive. We have eyeliner, which I can always use eyeliner because those always go bad after a while anyway. A wallet, I can definitely give that to my daughter. We have a bar, which is not included, but I'm not going to include the other goodies that we got as extras because that's not a part of the subscription. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of Fabfitfun this season. I know the new season's coming up soon for spring. So definitely, if you're not subscribed to my blog or the channel, definitely make sure that you are, because on my blog I tend to always put, if I find any spoilers for Fabfitfun, I'll put them on my blog. Once I find out, you guys find out. So definitely make sure that you're tuned in over there. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below too. Have a good day.